I'm gonna show you how to change debugger in VS Code. So to get started, you have to open your VS Code or launch Visual Studio Code on your computer, and then open the command palette by clicking Ctrl Shift P on Windows or Command Shift P on Mac OS, or you can just click on the window pane right above here, and then from there you have to type in this code right here, which is I'm gonna show you, or you can just pause the screen. And from there, just press enter. And then when you press enter, you have to fill up a code right here. So I'm just gonna fill up a code or change the debugger code from here. So I'm just gonna copy it here and then gonna paste it in this one. And then after that, all you have to do is just save it, or you can just click on Ctrl S. And then after that, it will automatically change your debugger on VS Code. So that's how you change your debugger on VS Code.